Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the owner of event if you ever need to do so. So let's say you've got some events on your calendar, and for whatever reason, you're leaving the company or whatever, it's no longer your department, you got promoted, and now somebody else needs to be in charge of that event. If you click on the event, click on either Options, or you can click on Edit, go to More Actions, scroll all the way to the bottom, Change Owner. And when you click on that, you'll have the option to type in the email address for the person you'd like to be the new owner of the event, write a little message to them, whatever, and then when you're done, you can just send them the notification that they are the new owner.